Afternoon, folks. It's overcast day here on the west coast. Just starting to rain. I was going to uncover my truck and fix my little boo-boo, which I will show you guys in a bit. But today's another good day. It's another mail call, and it's from Jerry, Cheater 40, and his sticker. Which is a really cool sticker. Thought maybe it got lost in the mail, but the carrier pigeons got it here. So yeah, and like usual, I won't tell you what he's working on. You have to go check out his channel and find out for yourself. It's pretty cool. It's coming along really good, and he's got a nice shop. Boy, I wish I had one of those. My build would be done by now, and I'd be enjoying it or close to it. But anyhow, folks, I will stick this up in my truck, and I will get back to you. And yeah, so that's about it. I know every time I come on with a video and everything, I give you a weather report, but hey, what the hell, eh? So yeah, so Jerry, again, thank you very much for your sticker, and hope your project goes good. I know we all have our little upsets on them and everything like that, but hey, when you're building the old stuff, that's what happens. Okay, well, like I said, I'll get back to you as soon as I have it up. Okay, take care, bye. There you go, Jerry. There's your Cheater 40. Thank you. That looks cool. Got a lot of nice color in it. And everybody else, and the Canadian flag. Oh. Like I say, not a hell of a lot of room in this little cab. But yeah, I hope I'm getting everybody. Okay, well, everybody, have a really great day, eh? I'm probably just going to take it easy today. Like I said, the weather here is overcast. It was starting to spit, so yeah. I think maybe today I'll just sit back, take it easy, and think about things I got to do. Yeah, think about things I got to do. Okay, well, everybody have a great day, take care, and good luck on what you're working on. Hope it all comes together nicely, and if you're a little frustrated, just take a break, man. Sit back, relax, and look at it, and think about what you're going to have when it's all done. And someone comes up to you and goes, "Oh, did you buy that?" "No, built it." Okay, everybody, be cool, build on, bye.